woman, when they call her Blessingceo, just forget Lizzie saga. If I were you, forget Lizzie saga. You can never saga Lizzie, may you win Lizzie. It don't be possible. You know if you saga Lizzie, you win Lizzie. And they say, they say Lizzie husband, they watch for mortuary. Who tell you say for Europe? You not gonna see people where they watch for mortuary. Even black guys where they work. You think say to work for mortuary? You think say na Nigeria mortuary attendant? Mortuary attendant. You know what it be mortuary when they Europe? You think say na the one when they Nigeria one that they use sponge, then they wash dead body. This one not say for Europe. Washing machine there, if you wash that body finish, now washing now machine when they wash. If you wash that, they go put the dead body for inside the washing when they wash that body. And from there, if that one wash and finish, you go transfer and go another washing machine. That washing machine go dryer. The washing machine go transfer and go another washing machine when it go dress am. You know waiting, waiting. All these Nigeria people they talk. If they talk sometimes, I'll just they look there. I'll say something when Nollywood movie, take art movie years back. You get one movie when IK with the second guy I see IK. That guy when he get mark for head. When he be like say whether he gets stitching for head. Not be IK that they call that guy that time. IK they see they call that guy with Emeka Ike. You know, say there be brothers for one film. And this person day, Benedicta Day, na old film, Benedicta Day, Ikuri Silvanos Day, na Ikuri Silvanos with Benedicta, na be those people, sisters that time. Na Rita Doce, na be their mama. That you get one man, I don't forget the man name, na that man na be their papa. You know when Emeka Ike can travel, go abroad, when he write letter say na mortuary attendant na it be. You know, say since then, na Nigeria people, they feel say people went there abroad, say that they wash for mortuary. May I tell you now, when they Nigeria, people know they wash, say you go see black person, you go they wash for mortuary. You know what be person, if person die for Europe, you go be like say na newborn baby. Now what these people don't know? This is na Nigeria, when person go die for Nigeria, you go fair or tea before now put on for inside Korun. Inside Korun. If they lie dead body on stage for Europe, you think say the dead body see they sleep. You think say dead body see they sleep. Blessingceo. Now when you they talk say Lizzie husband, na dead body they bath. My sister, no, don't be stupid. Like don't fool yourself with what you don't know. You know, most of you guys, you follow the arts in Africa, Nigerian Nollywood movie. That is what you guys, when you hear all those irrelevant lie that when you come to Europe, people they wash dead body in Europe, you think that what they are saying, that they are saying the truth. Now those are not the saga people for Europe. Who tell you? For you to even feel war for where dead body day for Europe, do you think you they play with their dead body? I don't understand though. You think so you they play with their dead body? What if it say dead body be? This is in Nigeria where una dead body, if a person die, now leave am for ground for there, fly will come for patch am before now go drop him mess for inside mortuary. That is why you people now they talk sometimes. That is why when it comes to Nigeria saga, I don't really take it serious because now irrelevant things now that they talk for there. You know what it be abroad? Dead body, Blessingceo, dead body for abroad. It be like when you newborn baby. Where dead body there for abroad, you can never see her. You not go see her. As many black when in Europe. Even the one where they work for hospital, ask. You go even pass at that hospital when that person they work. Not be there mortuary even they serve. This can be hospital. Or you better go do another mortuary for another place. That is what these people don't know. Now waiting they know waiting they don't know be this. They'll just come, they'll say the person they wash dead body. You know what it be dead body for Europe? You know what it be dead body for Europe? Dead body be like, for Europe, be like say when you newborn baby. Be like say you deliver a newborn baby. Come you can't go touch dead body. Dead body for Europe, eh? You think say if person just die for Africa, you just carry and come. You go carry and put for there. You go if dead body dey in Europe, eh? The way where they affect treat am, they go treat am. The disease where e kpai am, the disease they go make sure say they remove the disease for a body. They treat am in case if you want come alive again, make the disease not follow you come. Oyibo when you go, if you die, you don't get one eye. If Oyibo want bury you, they will make sure so you complete 2 eye. You will complete 2 eye. If you die, say now 1 leg now you get. If Oyibo want bury you, they will complete the 2 leg. Oyibo can never bury person when you get 1 leg with 1 leg. It's not that possible. You people should know how to be educated. No, now go. There is a lot of things you guys will learn there. Not coming on social media, cause they rap. Oyibo can never bury somebody with the half body they had. They go arrange them. They go complete the body, put them for inside this thing. You know, you have to say, they wash dead body for abroad. They wash dead body for abroad. Mugu. Una do mugu. Nigerian people, they go say they go school. How come people that went to school, they can't be delinquents? They become an adult delinquent. Yes! No, my sit down for there. It is na Nigeria when you go carry that body con, you can't use your hand, take the wash and they use sponge, take the wash. No machine. Machine don't carry enter there few, machine don't clean her. Chi. Clean her finish, come out and carry her go again. That is when they say now they'll come. Now today it is easy for where mortuary day. You see Oyibo mortuary. How you tell ask how many blacks say how many of they say na Nigeria person. Since when they work for abroad? Ask. If Nigeria person want tell you say Izzy Korum, he go tell you say the Korum where they put meat, not be Korum where they put dead body. Korum where they put meat. You people should learn how to use something, to use word. Sometimes you guys word, they irritate person for body. At the end of the day, you people will sound like illiterate. Even somebody who not even enter school say you go come even better person. You know? You say Lizzy Papa they go Nigeria, say he buy things, buy biscuit, he buy all those things. Before uncle. The man they drink, they take breakfast, he take coffee and biscuits. That is Europe. Every morning when you wake up, you take coffee and biscuit. Not be Nigeria, when I go wake up, and they find by when I want chop. So, what do they think like me now? If I can't reach Nigeria now, where would they take coffee? All those biscuits, now that they take biscuit, coffee, all those things. The man don't use to run. If now the man they chop before, if you wake up, you know they chop akpu again. I don't understand. Blessingceo, you know it's easy matter. If you are tired of Izzy, if Izzy they mention your name, you not answer. Izzy self go rest. Because she has said she not be fool. Yes. You Izzy say, bless you not answer and they do another thing. Bless you, Izzy go rest. I never see Izzy carry saga like a gala. Izzy, he don't even still do. You still live Blessingceo. You hear? Because Blessingceo not get voice again when you want follow. Izzy, your voice not even block safe. Izzy voice not they crack. Person when you with her they do saga, if voice don't crack. If they call the place where Izzy for the coin, they call Benin people, make they come help us saga Izzy. If you call Benin people, make Benin people come help you saga Izzy. Then you should know that the Benin people should know that Izzy don't beat you. Yeah, you are looking for rescue. Yeah, how can the person go even ask you now? Say Izzy, you go say Blessingceo. You say who you they call? May come help you saga Izzy. You say you they call Benin people. They'll say the easy way you dey saga. Why the easy way they saga, the easy way for the con, is it not the same Benin people like her? You go say yes. Where they call you Blessingceo? Why you not call Igbo people? Make Igbo people come help you fight. For call Igbo now, that means say Igbo people, your nonsense when you they do with Izzy Ogbeide, they don't accept her. Now it make you don't see Igbo people take fight easy. Yes, because you suppose get some Igbo people wey be say you go call them, call this one Ikechi, Chinyere, Adama, Adawere, Adabeke, Abego, make una call help me saga Lizzy Ogbeide, make una call help me saga Lizzy Ogbeide. If you not see Igbo people bring come out take saga Lizzy, send go meet Lizzy. The way when you tell send Benin people make them go fight Izzy. That means say the nonsense when you they consume for social media. That means say those people they are against it. That is nonsense. You consume a lot of nonsense. Yeah, you should sit down and ask yourself. Don't sit down and ask yourself, say, why is this the same person when they fight? Now the same people now you they call. You don't get Igbo. Igbo people don't they support you. Igbo people don't they support you. You say some Benin people they go help you beat Lizzy. One, those people not they talk for where Lizzy they. You see say Lizzy they mind them. Lizzy not they mind them. Lizzy don't fight do saga years back. They don't come out for where Lizzy they. They don't they where Lizzy. They all those are when they just they do. They don't get what they want do. Now wow. Yeah, like me now. If waiting at the true they do, say it good. Asian people go support me. If it not good, Asian people not go support me. The fish are not. I know say waiting at they do not good. Then there is no need. I don't call Asian people. I can't go call. I'll go they call Igbo people. Igbo, I beg you, make una come help me oh. This person want finish me oh. This person want finish me oh. That means say waiting at they do. My Asian people, they don't accept it. That means say the saga when you dey saga, Blessingceo, that means say the people from Igbo land, they don't accept them because one, as you say you dey popular rich, you know people rich, you're supposed to get guests now. You're supposed to get guests when people say that they help you do saga for Igbo. You know they one not just day. Now wow. I don't understand. Don't wait for those. My darling. Now so I don't understand. If saga tire you enter house. Yes. You know say that is on saga. If you come the two, you'll be like say you they use now your blood you they use at that moment. You know there is some things you go want say you want do one, make people come see am. You can't be like say now your blood now you they use. Real saga if you do and finish come on for grant. Come on there. I don't understand. You know see the people when you want a saga Lizzy. Now Benin people now you call they call. And the Benin people when you they call, then will Lizzy don't fair do saga. Then will Lizzy don't fair do saga. Lizzy don't use part of brat to follow some do saga. I don't understand. And now, okay, now. You they call the Benin people make they come join. You don't give them the saga. May you enter house. Lizzy, it don't do. Still give her. You know what as I tell they do on Lizzy. Still this one when you still give her now, it don't still take. Before Blessingceo come out. Cause they say, no worry. I got this person when you go help me saga you. I got that person when you go help me saga you. Lizzy, you supposed to know, say, Blessingceo, she don't tire. She has fed up. She don't fall. Come on for the saga. Yes. Before somebody go there, if person call the saga me now, I want they call who I want come make come join me saga. That means if I call the join person, make person call join me saga. That means say I'm out. I don't fall out with that. Maybe this person you, Blessingceo. Blessingceo, you no get strength for saga. Now, Blessingceo, now I follow one guy. Where they call that guy? That guy when they always show his breast, say his breast don't fall. I don't know what it be her name. That one with Blessing do saga. Facebook is scatter. Facebook scatter. That one they do saga, say, wow, Facebook scatter. Blessingceo never see. Not leave Blessingceo. You don't even get husband, say. I tell you won't marry. Why you not just marry, make you enter house? Me, myself, I don't even understand you. Eh? You don't see IVD. IVD won't marry you. Marry IVD, you go enter house. Yes. IVD want to marry you. Marry IVD. If IVD want marry you, marry IVD. If you like, IVD wife, he don't die. May her soul rest in perfect peace. And IVD not go just stay like that. They do single for how many years? He go still marry. Because if now his wife still die like that, if now IVD still die like that, his wife go still move on. He go still marry. I don't know. Okay, no. Now say make IVD make it not marry Blessingceo. Okay, who IVD want come marry? This I don't know. I don't understand Nigeria. Nigeria, they won't just want to they choose for you. The people when they want choose for you, they don't even choose well for themselves. You not choose well for yourself. They'll person when you better pass, they'll want make they come they advise you. That is why when it comes to Nigeria, people, I know they listen to the chaka. Even if they tell lovely see you, you know they share. Everybody better pass. I'll say, leave one. They better pass me. Because why I won't be I know if you stay there, I'll come they argue with you all the time. And people when they say lovely the better pass you, lovely the better pass you. All of them. That they cry. If one person go buy spoon, another one go cry, oh come on spoon. When you fool this if one spoon too dear, two spoon too dear, and I go be 5-0. Hey, I forget to buy spoon. Hey. Tomorrow I'll go there. I'll go buy spoon. I forget to buy spoon. Oh, I don't remember. Because children for her sometimes, well, they not be say whether that they pass spoon, John the remina when when you eat food remain and the rest they will go through one. Sometimes they throw one with spoon. I don't remember. I'll put alarm now so that if that alarm blow tomorrow, I will not say na spoon. No, all the time. Izzy Ogbeide. Before Blessingceo start to they call those cyber space people when they do saga. Blessingceo don't tire for Lizzy, to be honest. Blessingceo don't tire. Blessingceo is too tired. Lizzy saga don't tire Blessingceo. Blessingceo no even get voice again. Blessingceo voice now, you know, Greek clear. You know, say some people they will be say, they don't know how to do trouble. But at the end of the day, they can't find themselves in a place where that say there is some people, since they're born that they never fight. Somebody never knock them. If you can't let her meet herself. For a place where he say he get as he be, he go there inside. To come out, come on. He go feel say he go win. At the end of the day, he go get the way when he be for I. Blessingceo, you rest. You rest. Since you don't send Benin people made that they saga Lizzy. You rest. Make those Benin people they saga Lizzy because the last time I check. Lizzy not even talk about those people. Yes. The last time I checked, Lizzy don't talk about those people. Then just read. That is so. Later you'll say you be big girl. Blessingceo go come. You will say, I be Blessingceo. Me, I don't know where you dey for the CEO. Now Saga CEO. I be Blessingceo. I be an enemy physiotherapist. Okay. The work where you carry on social media, you throw away the work. Now Saga you can't they do. Okay, what are if people when it called their depression now? Who want to attend to the people when they depression? I'm Blessingceo. You for just go back to your work, make up, sit down. Then people will come, they listen. Even people, they say, enter house, you know, they shade. Enter house, you know, they shade, because they must tell you, say, make you enter house. And one, if you open Facebook, now haters, now plenty past people won't like you. Yes, now haters. Like me, now if I open Facebook, if I dey find say na Facebook, now they want like me, I don't need their like. I don't need Facebook like. No, I don't need Facebook like. Because tomorrow they go like you. Next tomorrow they go unlike you. Another day they go follow you. Before you know, you go they go unfollow you. Now they go follow you. Now they go follow you. They watching. They use those kind of people. They do. Those are the people they are not going to spend time with you. There is no way they are going to spend time with you. That is why I don't use them to rub body. I don't they use them to rub body. If I say make they bath, they do saga 24 hours. They carry people leg. I will fit at the end of the day. The people when you say now they go support you, they go to betray you. There is no need. Like me, I don't be person when they gather crowd. Come they say, come, I want to send you message, go bring that thing. Come now me, they run out by myself. Waiting, I will take beat you, no need. If I want beat, don't let my spirit alone go beat you. Yes. You know? Blessingceo. Now 2025, now we day, now we are 2025. You have to just change this saga of 18. Yeah, change saga. You supposed to, if now Nigeria you there for there, you supposed to even get team for Nigeria. No. Now saga. Before you know now, another person go come now. You go carry wait till you carry on social media. You go just carry on. That time now, maybe that one go be Antonia CEO. Then you go come they do your program. Then now you come they shout, Antonia CEO, I'm gonna deal with you. I'm gonna deal with you. You are doing my program. You say IVD want marry you. Why can't you just marry? Marry. If IVD want marry, I think you want to go stay with IVD for us. Yes, that is what you will do, man. Then you leave all those five. Well, you don't already tire. Blessingceo don't tire for Lizzy. Lizzy, see ya. You don't still do. May you still rest. Rest. As far as you supposed to still rest. For you, something where you go for, where Lizzy go just rest now. Lizzy not just see the point. When they see now. I will say Lizzy if you just see this point now. Only that point alone just let you rest. The day when Blessingceo, when he come and say, Lizzy, I'm tired of you. Leave me alone. Lizzy, I don't drag Lizzy. It's Lizzy that is dragging me. Now, I am tired of you. I will send your people to come and saga you. I will not talk to you again. Now, dear, now Lizzy supposed to know, say, Blessingceo don't tire. You don't tire. I will say, Blessingceo no send people now. Blessingceo no send people now. Make they come they saga you. I for say now they saga Lizzy now. Bomba to bomba. I for say, oh yeah, Lizzy, no hold break. Oh yeah, just they drive, they go. Anybody when you see for road, they break their leg. But Blessingceo don't already come out. Say he don't tire. Blessingceo say he don't tire. Oh, Lizzy, he don't do. Lizzy, you yourself, you they try. Oh, since where you put to bed, how do you do it? Since when you put to bed, you don't do saga. Before you know now, that pikin go do 1 year birthday. Oh no, some more. You they try. Oh, Blessingceo say may you leave her for waste. Lizzy Ogbeide. Blessingceo say, now me get the prick. Blessingceo say, may you leave her for waste, you don't tire. Say, you don't send your people, when you come for the same Bini, you don't send them, make they come to saga you. Say, you don't tire, say, you know, if he saga you again. You for just suffering, Kukuma daughter say, okay. I win you. Because now so because Blessingceo don't hands up. Blessingceo hands up with Bini live video presenter when they do social media. Then if I'm Lizzy, the people when they social media, I don't go mind them. Oh. Lie, I can never mind them. Since who are they fight? You don't answer up. I say, okay, since you don't answer up, make I leave you. If you pick this saga again, then I will pick it up with you. Now, what is Lizzy supposed to do? Lizzy, Blessingceo say, he don't tire. I remember na poster, Lizzy say, may leave Blessingceo. Blessingceo don't tire because the kind thing when Lizzy they carry they come. Blessingceo say, he don't know where Lizzy they see all this information. Say he don't tire. As a Blessing brag rich, Blessing don't still submit. Lizzy supposed to know say Blessing don't submit. You know, if I wish I were Lizzy. You see now, Blessing don't take it don't rest. You yourself, I will see rest. If he continue again, you'll see continue again. Yeah. That is it. If you continue again, you'll still continue again. That is it. Now so. Now what you they do now? What Lizzy do? Now Blessingceo they do. You see now what Lizzy do? Now Blessingceo they do because Blessingceo now don't get anything when he want a saga Lizzy. Now Lizzy content, now he take the saga Lizzy. You know, yeah, because the content is Lizzy that drop that content. If you carry somebody content, take the saga person, it don't make sense. Because the content when Lizzy do, Lizzy try for that content. Lizzy Papa they go Niger. As Lizzy Papa they go Niger, Lizzy Papa gets European documents, you know. He get residence. You see, if they find Lizzy Papa resident now, they go find Lizzy Papa reach Lizzy house. You know, Lizzy Papa get resident. He do shopping. She said the shopping went. He say he go buy this thing. Ororo when cheap pass now €2. Ororo biscuit when they sell 50 cents before the biscuit now €2 €1 90 something cents. Now only €5 remain. No, I not they deceive myself. What you cannot do, if you see another person doing, don't just talk. Now so, not just talk. That's it. Lizzy, you know say una matter, I know they too much top put. I know they too much top put when it comes to that place. You know say you even talk say yeah, as love we can't the top put for this matter. Waiting happen. I know say now me the judge issue for this social media. I not get any place when I did. You say Blessingceo say don't tire. Now me constantly tell Izzy say I beg, leave Blessingceo alone. Blessingceo don't tire. We all confirm me that she's tired. When she come they send your Bini people, make they come they fight you. Now there I know say she's tired. I will say she's saying Igbo people now. Now there we go talk say no, Blessingceo. A lot of people will come out. A lot of live video presenters will come out. You know, say, when it comes to Bini and another tribe, even he said the person, even he said the Bini person, some of the inside though, even he said they with Lizzy not they play. When he come be say, Blessing don't go pack, Igbo people come. Bini people will say, okay, for this one, I go talk for this one. But Lizzy, if you do anything next, I will come beat you. As far as say, now say Bini people, now Blessingceo say come. That means say Blessingceo don't tire for saga. I will say now Igbo people now Blessingceo say come. If that the saga Lizzy, I can decide to join or I not go join because I know they like to join their fight. I will still judge the case the way when it go be. Only way I want to do, I'll come support. I'll come separate una. I don't come support una because I don't know how we talk for the issue. At those states, na Lizzy be. Blessingceo come be Igbo. And me now, I be partly Igbo, partly Edo State. You know, see now, I don't feel John Lizzie now, they beat Blessingceo. I don't feel John Blessingceo, they beat Lizzie. And the video when they do, now only that one, I'll call to say, now so not take one more, now so not take one, now so not take one, now so not take one, you take your own, you take your own. Now, Lizzie, since Blessingceo no see any Igbo people, he no mention any Igbo, not just say, Kechi, go say, ma, Blessingceo, they call you. Now me tell you, say, go saga Lizzie. Yeah, he was still call another one. If man, they hungry, I want go chop. My belly they shall not I don't drink this money. He will say, if man, he will say, yeah, Blessingceo. He will say, I send you, go help me fight Lizzie. Blessingceo no send any Igbo person come. Even Agbo, he no send come. He no send Igbo person come. Who is send come? Bini people. Does he say Blessingceo is tired? I will say Blessingceo send Igbo people come now. We thought say Blessingceo this fight, it go last long. As I say, now Bini people, now you see say go meet Bini, Blessingceo don't tire. Blessingceo don't tire. Blessingceo, you say you don't see your husband. Man when you want marry you. Go marry the man. Now any choice when you like, marry. Just marry. If you even see the one when you marry, when they find wife, if the man want pay your bride price, go marry. No, let people they talk say, Blessingceo, now somebody husband be this. It don't concern you. The woman are your sister. No, now it be this 2025 issue. If you want marry, you go marry. This IVD, wait till they call him. If he say he want marry you, go marry him. His wife don't die. His wife don't die. If na see IVD, Nike wife, if the spirit they hunt IVD, it not concern you, not be you key the wife. Always say when it comes to some talk, sometimes Nigerian people that they talk like no say I know they believe Nigerian people lie to lie. I know they believe them. I don't see chance go take believe Oyibo. When it be say if I go Oyibo before I go come on for there, something go follow me come on for there. And it's something when will come follow me come on for there. Now something when I go use for the days of my life. If you follow Nigeria will give you this one. Tomorrow it go follow you. That's also thing will come they talk. That thing when I give you that day, I can't reach the place. I don't come see you again. They remind you all the time. You know. Blessingceo. You don't do. You yourself don't tire. You don't get cracking voice. Your throat don't crack. You don't tire. Rest. Just rest. You know what Blessingceo, wait till you don't already give up. You don't already submit. Since when you send Benin people make they go the saga Lizzie, you don't already submit. Yes, you submit say I not fit follow Lizzie they fight. Make I just send Benin people go give this like as I come there now. Blessingceo come mention my name, love like you go help me to go and help me to saga Lizzie. I'll tell them say you dey crazy, you don't know your mate. Me, I don't know how to reduce myself. No matter how I go be, I can never reduce myself. Woman like me, they can't send me message. I can't go at the Chris. I they met. Say waiting, you look me as waiting. Not be these people. When tomorrow they don't get topic, now you they'll come to do topic. They'll say, okay, all those one where they fight for me. The time when me with Lizzie they fight. All those one they know they are jobless. You know so. If you be woman when you get ego, if another woman they call you for something, me I know they go. You know, Lizzie. Well, we only say now 2025 now they enter. You still give yourself 3 months. Well, we are 3 months rest. You try. It's not easy. Not only you saga. It's not easy. Lizzie try. He try. Lizzie try. Even those cyber space live video presenter. Even still John Blessingceo. Lizzie still follow them for ground. Listen, not they even mind those people. Now Blessingceo now Lizzie they drag. Now I tell like her. Now they beat you. Now you make sure say you beat her. Now people not they beat you because they draw your attention. If I can't they fight somebody, now one person will come, they draw my attention. Lovely, lovely. What I want you to do? I got what I want you to do. I just see you, but it has nothing to do with you because at this moment, I not connect. You see your wire, I remove one. I have plugged your wire. The one when I plug now. Now that one, now they fight. Izzy, don't do. See less Blessingceo be. My people. I wanna see this window. If I now my house be this so. Now lie will not be my house. I know they build house, I don't get money. You know, say they don't they tell them something you go. I don't me. One person say, don't show anything. Don't show. Even let them say, don't show. Let them say, don't show. Well, people, that's the topic where I carry car. Now that woman when your mama see the restaurant house. When you don't fit come on your mama for restaurant, you go come they give people advice. You go come say, you want to advise me. I say, see this one, you don't bath. We call whether advice is lovely. You don't bath. Where call? When this about a visit, already we are showing work it out daughter for where can they see where just carry and come out for body back. Not be body pass, so things where you put for neck or something you wear like wristwatch. You go bring a con. Not be 25 euro less. Where I have a barrel. If you want to sell, wait till that one will go pack and put for ground. You they know. Oh Krika, don't ready you. Oh Krika, don't ready you. They don't they shit down. Ware suru ro re nili. Ayo sopo no ware sopo ro re nili. Ayo so ramen no ware so ramen re nili. We buy things that give us money a lot. When you come they talk, how much that take how much no we work okay. How much you want to change on? Maybe Mala will tell you, say 5 million. This one is 5 million. You'll say the second one call. You'll say that one is 2 point something. You'll say the second one call. You'll say, this one. So when you carry, so you go reach 10 million. Now that one, I ain't with they do. Not be jagbajastic. You know, something that will give you money. Go, remove your baba. We don't see where Sister Meg, their grandchildren, we don't see where they dey. Not be right hand house, not be the grandchildren they dance. Oh. Are you waking? Oh? Are you waking? Are you waking? Oh? Are you waking? Precious Meg, mama grandchildren. Are you waking? That be shelling. Are you waking? You're the advice person. Precious man, when you the advice, your mama not the restaurant house. You when the advice person, your mama the restaurant house. You know the evil reason, say. You don't get brain to even do something arrange or say. You when as I come there now, I want to call the advice person. Maybe mama will come the restaurant house. I got the advice person when you dey 2 rooms. Or person when you use cement and block to build 1 room for your mama. I gotta say, see, now 1 room now you feel build for your mama. When me, Natikbili did not date restaurant house. When one woman die, leave for how many years? Now mama day. Then I'll shame. I know shame. Why would be say una shame? Una go like to the wear person una shame. Now so they wear her shame that time. She can't feel say she'll feel wear her shame for my body. She not say she not feel wear her shame for my body. Now so, as Grace, I want to get 6 children. As Grace go Nigeria, now Nigeria Grace even day. As he go village, they carry her, they record my palace house. You want to give them some social media. He can't even. I can't laugh. For your mind say, if me reach Nigeria tomorrow, say my past day, my pa, yeah, he never go Ebonaiwa. It not be inside the cup, and I go still put this. They record the house. Maybe Facebook people say lovely, not well now. You know. What they think they know how to do, when you do it more than that, okay, they say, you know where, we will know where when time come. Madilo nelo muga, ege a said de, ege a ki said de, or ede sege, or ki sege, adile onelo munega. Adile onelo munega. As he does sit down for that, the fool is said, you see, now you see this sand. Now you're there for better. Mama say, Mama Nicha, where you are better, ordinary grand. Mama Nicha, Mama Nicha, you know Nicha, Kenkwanu. You say, Adima, now bacha people, now Mama be a bacha. And Mama when they use coconut, they cook soup. You get one food where mama they cook. One Igbo person they cook at that day. Aye! I say, see this brother. The brother na Igbo guy in Nigeria. You see this coco nyam. You get the one when Igbo people they use they cook soup. Coco nyam. Iyoko, that they call that one iyoko. You know say na two different. They get the one when that they roast eat. They get the one when they take the pound yam. Then they use the hand till they cook soup. Igbo people, they use the hand. The one when I see say the guy they do. That one, if my mama do that one that time. Hey, never. Tall, me that do anya wo. Mama will mwege that baroku wore luo. You will fair cook that coconut. You will cook until daybreak. Hi! Oh, ni achalo fun coconut. Go cook and they go break. Aye, go look just see law. Then you can't pound crayfish. You can't cook bitter leaf. You can't wash them. You don't say bitter leaf when you cook. You don't say they cook well. Can't cook that bitter leaf. Oh, nay. Can't grind crayfish. Plenty crayfish. Ugbe. I know what you be ugbe now. Upaka. They call on Ogbeide, not paka that they call her. And that they call her for they call her for Ishan, Ogbeide. If you day up, Ogbeide, you get another thing when they call her Okpara. And that they call her Okpara. Okpara did that time, Okpara different. I think Okpara with Ogbeide no be this. I don't call her, maybe in another tribe they call her Okpara. Then, Ogbeide will come there. Crayfish and pepper with onions when the ground will come there. Bitter leaf will come there. Hi. That coconut when you cook today break. The one where they take the cook soup or when people take the cook soup. Now they talk. Not that coconut when they roast it. No. You come if you want to remove the back. No say that they cook am with the back together. You just they make mio. They come out for inside. If you don't press on like this, you go just come out. And the back will just stay your hand. True. Right? Con roller, never a general law, they that they chop oil. Oil not the quick cash. Or I could dog be 3 days. Hi, you know every day you go the woman. You're so free. If you want woman, not be. You just make fire. Fire when you take cook remain. Now you go just put on top. I see say that Igbo guy they cook. I say Jesus Christ. I can go remember mama. Hi. That food, I like can die. The day when I will go after that now, I will buy and I will just stay doing. I will cook them. I get to bed for inside fridge. The day, wait, whether I will go after that inside this week. Because that day when I go after that, I can't still say I go buy lighting. I don't even remember lighting itself. Because I will buy lighting for inside shop. For everyday market. Then later I go shop, one Ghana woman shop where they sell clothes. The woman can't say no. Now the woman can't even still refer me to this. And I can't say yes. Say I even go there, I forget. Maybe let me see or Saturday if I will feel go or Friday. And I'll go on Friday. Yeah, I'll go on Friday. Now that lighting now I want to go buy. You know, I take so the cloth when I so put for ground. If not, now so I will just see do now. I also go pack the cloth put for inside house. Now let me want be tailor, Obioma tailor. Now one life video presenter give me down there. So Obioma tailor. Yeah. You got your mouth. It's Obioma tailor. That's Obioma tailor. No worry now. You go see her, Obioma tailor. Now you even say, Ella Flake, Obioma tailor. You don't they try. And they try for cloth too. Only waiting they worry me to come wear the cloth. Now I can say, no, I'm not going I beg, I don't fit. Come make up, come wear clothes. If I already am finish, sometimes it go just tire me. No come if I dey ready, I want come do makeup, I want come show myself. Anything wey make me chop at the jam, forget me, I know they come. You know, that's it. The one I don't see cut for ground, I don't cut two for ground. I don't sew two. One day there, I cut another one again. I don't dey cut. Are you serious? You know, now some my people, I beg. If you now see, I want to use this side to talk to Precious Meg. Obi aba. Obi o. Me shan juon mo je. Ayo genya igo na rele ba egbe. Obi o, I rock pe jeje. Video pariwo nuwelu. Make I speak Ishan for here. Video pariwo nuwelu. I will see translate for English. If you know the hear Ishan, make I speak Ishan. Video pariwo nuwelu me do shan koni video re. Igo nuwe are lu onemi we yo we shan are lu ni obi aba. We only go or I crayfish no wore di crayfish. Gole wa wa ime we. Ayo ebe va sewi Izzy go wo. Oria no kiria no deje yo kwa emi no iwe o weda yaria. Obio emi no iwe. Emi no ki we a no mudian we amudian. We aki wolu fo igo nu we are di ribo fish. O igo we are di idi crayfish. Or you gonna wear a D BB crayfish, small crayfish. Obio. Aboni me wash nanya. Ake ogenya olokuo ni no ria. Oria eberia bayerelu. Olokuo ni no ria. Boy me wash nanya. Me akiwore. Why rokotone? That demere tai. Why rokotone? Me da young no who ni me share do cho alwe bowishi he because she no rich. Precious me go yo. Wa me say we dalu. Me wo yo me da yo genya me di feke ta me. We ware phone re kan gbe asun. Phone na we receive call bi ebolebo o ende me aso so ne. Me yo genya ni me gwe ha me yu gwe genya obi o. Oni go ni nuwesh an re ado amwe bogbo no ona ka mwe bogbeni no need ivi edo ka mwe bogbo emi na ne joy na ne ikpigo kerebe obi aba oni ikpigo se ye ni no ive wo kin ino no ni ikpigo mo bara barbaric ino da yi barbaric ino mo Oki nevi he won homo. We wada genya ono mo. Oki useless. Mezedo. Avi TV ni ma. Ni I ma o. I also have TV ni ma. No waiting they talk. If you just say I want speak bini, I will TV no ma. I bet if you be my haters and just waka come on for you. Cause ti make amu udogbo ki valo I can put your head for stone. Use another stote matcha. I okwana no wa so gbe o ma bo wa o. O ma bo wa e won wa. Ojo site I will kiwi the house when I get for I will kiwi. I won wa we will kiwi we don't check am. I don't say me, I know they carry wrong information come. She know. The other time they say she want go buy land, but she for debut house feel like. Where they? Where quite is about Hanwa? Where about Hanwa? Now, that me go re Hanwa. Eh? That me go re. Where is Ziki toilet are Hanwa? Where you shabore dolu? Who kiri Ziki toilet re Hanwa? No need this self ni me ware ata mi vie do. Buga go even dey tell vie do self. Ni zesan. Oni video ni meluna. Precious Maggie. Me did all try this thing. Oni go nuwea yo we share mu he gbono kwona we walking or any place. Sister Maggie when oni go ni redu gbore. When we used to gbore re gbo won. Me dage sometimes we agbo won. We used to gbore re gbo won. Gbore owa mama kan gbe. Oni go we were do gbore. We are do gbore. Hey, oni gbore ni ki gbe 3 years. Cause oni go ni o say do gbore ni we are just for 3 years. I don't understand. Onoria, Oria fo. Where the doazi go no serve me no ria. God forbid. Because don't let me put my money for something when don't already condemn. The woman don't already condemn. What is the need? Won't talk, won't wa, won't do. Omo papa no one. Or was a bomuna we will bo. Or ni was a boa mulolo. Okay, I don't bude noria. Okay, that a vani ni bugude. Vani we bugude. Avasa no wa magbe. You can't see things when I count for you now. Ipo ende na we will lebo. Enge were na we will lebo. Erewe muni monre. E sorry we mene. Imi sen imea. E munu imore. Uwamure. Ono mienya ose ye rivi Nigeria. Awo ke orenya. Our visa dore atwe. Ake na mama give am visa. If they come they greet mama for summer. Even he say he no go fit stay abroad again. Make all the greet mama for summer. No me ye go do atwe with summer. Or have day okine grandchildren. Rekhang gbe dore twe eje egbonishen leveni. When oyo lenya we shan ubude noria. We onu bude na. We suppose nu where they are uzoi. We wa uzoi. We want to see bon kwa. Ebu we suppose where they make be o. Inu where they make be o nya we bon kwa. U bon kwa both way. Where shall gwane inu we alu. Ni grandchildren ne se. Eni kwa me vani. Ne ya ni dot we. We kwa nemi. You dey forbid. Now what I congratulate you. And then as he see us. When I carry come, if they say, I don't know whether now you get this as a congratulations. Who you they tell on congratulations? With the DJ now, like you now, we are most of you dark but now make it do congratulate at the Chris. Now, your children, no say no who, no biare fia na tikuli gidi no date. You don't feel carry and come abroad. In London, where no when you where you at they go London from Nigeria. You don't before 3 months. You don't enter London. And now on the visa nani. E so ne winner. E supporter. Where I go sabo ye go visa. Yere supporti o mie no mi ava de eje. Anu we welu. I want advice Meg. I want advice Meg. One Meggy. Imono so e wole border boy. Imono so e me passporti. Na German passport, na the children who. Wait till your grandchildren who, nothing. Wait till your old daughter who, nothing. Not they can't advise people way better pass you. I understand. Now let this woman say she go call the advise people way better pass her. Now so she find out the thought that time. I look baby, you not get passport. As I carry passport come out 2 weeks, you don't do live video. Today now, if they talk of passport again, where you pay one who doesn't want no. Or say if you do to pay one no soon no you. Where does you see that heartbroken? Many lovely men there in ye. Many lovely dear in ye. Edeninya. I want life is not love you do this year. I'm not your food. Now you say you buy the saga. Lovely. And we na lovely to pay we na. Girl, you pay me go to Luwa. Lovely now they work. We are lovely go see money they do house. Now the window of my house now be this one. You see, huh? With the cut and small. I can show need your opomo book bucket that they cut is something like akara. With the cut and small, cutty small. My jaja here, my zori, my word did your zori. We are keep jaja ogbo mufio ni. Ogbo do ahon won bo. Me go meta my me get be afuere. You want me to torres na. This an gbegbe ye, o san gbegbe ye ge yan egbe fuere. Ene popo egbe ki popo. E just in okay. E just in okay. Owe no loke egbe wo oke nu we egbe wo ke o. Na you dey wo. Now see this the program when they watch this man get weight. The pizza when you want eat now 4 pizza. 4 pizza. I don't know whether if they come they fat now that time they come they eat. How can you just eat pizza? What's that one? Okay. Now different food, pizzas, yeah. You know the dish and cut 3 times. Why you not just eat only carton, 1 carton of pizza? See, get 2 pizza for here, you get another one, you get meat. See, they eat chicken wings. Yeah. Then you want reduce. Before you know now, they will put them for diet. Too much. Can you chop? See, I don't finish them. Beg. See the time is small. Very cute child. You know? That's it. Obio. Oni. Madam money video na madam huere. Oni, igo nuwe shanre mwe bogbono kariana. Obiaba. When Ronigo redik pekpenu. Obiaba. Ronigo redik pekpenu. We batik pekpenu na utu monstrum. Ronigo redik pekpenu. Ono ya we aki we try o. We aki wo luse. We ko yo genya we shan mwe bogbi edede. We you are shan ya go ana. Oni go ni wa me burelu Obiaba re do 2 pick ni Nigeria muvade. O ware to 2 pick wa re do me we carry we lebo. We oki da gbo de you buy pepper soup spice. You go where le buy gbe o we shan re chono khu ni. O we shan re mu ihe gbono khu ni. That woman you know say ihe kika woro. Olo wa sabo mu pa no won na we lebo. O wa sabo ri no si wi rest house re. Ibo ene na we lebo no one with their mama, they no build house for their mama. Or let's say the one will still be like that old woman. Or let's say now let that woman see say okay or was about buwani no and the people when you go still be like and they go still day for old school when you enter abroad. No matter how. If mama still there at some house. She not even advise herself. Until the day when mama go buy. And then you know mama go miss that restaurant house. And the day when mama go down, and only God know where they go bury mama. And he not go perceive mama die alive, he not build house for her. If he can't die, now he want build house for her. If I don't go build house for her now, so that the woman die, make they see where bury her. Now say they did that when I can't see where they bury lovely mama. Then I can't see where they bury. You think say mama be like your mama when you don't see a begbo regbagbebu. When you never tell brother put that be nowhere. You went over support, we mean you so we will give you lulu. Or more, where you school. Or I'm a borrow monjo. No, nothing. Can they say, see where they bury mama? Say, ta, sheba, poor, sheba, no, sheba, so. As I carry house come and that house, now you can't check. You can't use chest. You don't need where mama me where she they analyze house. He said, mama, she they analyze house. I say, make she they analyze that one. If she finish with that one, I will give another one. Beche. O de day ni no rivire sound house. On the holo no raveki. I beg. Are you done with the old house? Make I bring another one come. I will give you another one. Before I will come give you another one again. Before I will come give you the when one live video take the shots. It's last year. Now that one go give you last. The first one you don't celebrate me. I'll carry the second one come, you go celebrate. I'll carry the third one come, you celebrate. I'll carry the fourth one come, you go celebrate. So the people say, now so celebrate. Now you go they celebrate person when it be your enemy. Heavy. What the shit safe? They call I go back away. As she be, she's from Isha. You're supposed to sit down. You okay, say que I'm with me. You okay, say we ki redan, we ki mu dagbare do agbe. At the time, message to precious milk. Message to precious milk. As I now make it right message. You know if you write message. Just tell her say make it right Meg. She know if you write Meg. Now precious, now she will come right. On a holo no rave ki useless woman. I even thought I know talking about this yourself. I shall say this video, let me check. I know don't sit down because they thought say I want to use until they do live video. No, maybe if I do live video, no. Like say this one will be the last live video. If I go fit to go be last live video. I know we'll talk to right again. I'm poor. No ho. Oh no ho be mina. Oh be tabigbo. Oh, that big boy has shown you a fake better. Tiens. Useless woman. Alors, l'homme Meg. Why say in Nigeria, Meg go they talk about you. I ever see say as they go back Nigeria rich. You go even they talk say she they go Nigeria safe. I go Nigeria sometimes safe. I know they look. I say which kind Nigeria this one even they go safe. She no get copper where they show. She don't get her own house when they show. Nothing. So I they go as you go. They go Nigeria, go they greet the picking when you throw away for Nigeria for night. It no date. Oh, Ibo na dozo jano yansi omono seve gbere. This one picking still dead there. Now let God. Now still they there for Nigeria now. Whether maybe she don't add John 50 euro when they go give the picking. Yeah, can you imagine? 50 euro for how many years? 50 euro when small children take the buy chocolate eat for abroad. Ojao. Go advise yourself. Ekata. Only walking me ekata. Ekata kanata wiele. After many years. The day when the woman go die now, a day rest house. The day when the rest house go die now, and only God know where they'll go bury her. They'll go bury the day for a day Papa Copan. Yeah, and the day Papa Copan, and they will go bury her. Okay, you want the advice person. You know they even remember advice yourself. The worst part of it, they live fake life. When you see that they are living fake life, people will true believe say they get. And then with the day when foul now she go blow, the anus go be on the floor. You can't they look on. Nonsense. Heavy. Why you that so? You don't wrong. Don't go to shout again. Don't see say I blast her. Hey, why use me to play lovely? Because they tell lovely. But when you they receive, and they blow on. Only when they receive a mouth, it keep blow. Keep blowing yeah. Where battery lovely? He can't receive 1,003, 1,004 finish. You can't shout for me. Half quarter. You don't know, say that money. Later, they say one woman say, Sister Love, they say, he say one, they say she called the toss, I will say government go even free, they give her money now. He cut us, he say, he cut us, no. No be only she go laugh this laugh. Make she call me. Cause I say, she don't they ask for government help. He say, mama. He say, these people they jealous you. I said, you never know they. It not reach their hand. I want to reach your hand. Eh? Hey, passport you were muonya whether we bossy where we bossy re. He pee. He will sleep for inside bus, reach work, wake up for work again, sleep for inside bus, reach house. He passport. Well, you all no who na we no mu passport you. But do what that me go railway me. Where you dey see money? He passport. He say passport. He say I got passport. I got passport, lovely. Me rupe me be. Where rupe mo na? Me rupe me be. They for how many years when we do social media now? They fall for water, they come on, fall for water, they come on, fall for water, they come on. I did where I say. Me omi odigi. Odigi si we jongere. Odigi not they come on for where I say. Are you kidding? Me omi odigi no Ogbeide one official. Eh? Help my passport even hoyohore. You say you see they climb up upstairs. You see they use double decker. That's it. Merupe wenugwe, meji winner, where you winner. For how many years when you shout, come put here dancer. Since when I did this house day, I never changed this house. Since when you there now, you don't pack a month for us now. If you never reach 3 times. No yet zigebe. As I said, not only you want, just go buy mini apartment. Yeah, just work here, go zigebe do the mini apartment. No, me you wuna. Still fake count. The way when the people they fake count for there. Fake it. They say fake it before you make it. You are not even making it already. Oh my God. And that should go be na river. And that time they won't very home. That's where we will send I will boss toy. Where lovely, I'll say, I don't go argue too much. You don't go rent house when you come to shop for my ear. Lovely. Eh? Where because when my mom now, when we so. Eh? Waiting for just do now, you all go buy mini apartment, 1 bedroom apartment. Yeah, you go get city room, you go get 1 room, you go get a kitchen. Now it good pass. AJ, you know they see all those one. Everywhere I carry me room where this house go day. You go not they say and one day or rukbe one need. One day or rukbe one. Okay, rukbe. I still there. I don't date this house, eh? I don't date this house. Whenever they do live video. I don't date this house. Spend that many years. Whenever they do live video. Talk like say now one live video presenter they say lovely. I think request one ire. Lovely go request one ire. Where battery lovely? Me old diggy. Lovely go request so don't stay. She has said what she say at the renovate house. Only where now wow. You not understand. You know they talk. You tell me something. I say what I want tell you. Eh? That's it. I look better very lovely. Eh? We are tanning, we can't hear. It's a bonny tanning. Maybe me tanning, but I say again, I don't have to do tanning with property. I don't got to come they tell you about property. Now, no get now they shout. You know, I tanning with property. You know, when it comes to property issue, I'm not interested. Can't they talk? Because you don't already get and you don't get. And now who not get, now they stress itself put. Who gets something, not they stress. Who gets something, not they talk. Now who not get, now they stress. How you go take talk? Take. I will just say now, because they say, oh, I want to go do this one, oh, I want to go do this one, oh, I want to go do this. We control bigs. Now bigs, now we they control the bigs when we they pay. You know? You don't this man suffering now. Truly sweet of my heavenly Father, if this man and my husband will go quarrel, you are not okay. You be obesity. Why are you still eating like this? And not just, you cannot help yourself. You will help yourself. No working, no go labor, no labor. I know they like this kind of thing. If you need help sometimes, you have to do it by yourself. If somebody this one, if your wife leave another, they say because say you don't spoil, now make your wife leave one. No. And most of them that they quarrel, they with their wives they quarrel. Most of them. You get one, that one na Oyibo, this one na black. He lie down now they chop. What's this? They don't even care self. So you lie down now, you chop, but you can get up now. You don't eat finish now, you don't get up. Why you not sit down chop? When you lie down for bed, they chop. See yourself. If you see, I don't understand. I would they pity for themselves. They know they pity themselves. Now this is be a man. Now skirt can't they wear because it's not too big. Trousers not they when go enter. And my wife now be this one. I may read them because they talking for English. I reduce this one. See, you want to see his snap, Jonah? Joy finish just now, bro. This is not good. Huh? But we keep finish biron. Yeah. See, this is not good. Instead of you to they sit down for there, they chop this one. You use and take waka, carry this to follow body. Where you reach your office, sit down for there. Huh? You know, kilo ekpikeke bi uwa keno si in eje dede na dede mama di. Agbonye ba. Yeah, you have to take care of yourself. It's better. Yeah. Food. If you get weight, you dey eat journal, you dey damage yourself be that. Even myself, when you know even fast, if I eat sometimes, you say my belly big, and they use lime. Or use lime till they burn the food when they chop. You know, when you they eat, you will they drink lime and water. That food, your body no go, your belly no go enjoy the food. Not only mouth you go enjoy the food. When you reach belly, there you drink lime go cut. There is no way when it go make you fat. Now so me I they do sometimes. If I don't chop, I say the food when I chop is too much. My belly won't start to be big. Now so I they drink lime with water. You know, you have to control yourself. Now you go take care of yourself. Your nails, your leg nails, everything you go take care of. Because so that now body be that one, you just leave one. You get as it be. I had a pity for the guy. But the guy, be like say the guy not the help himself. Out. Head. Out. No. Because they eat. Not good. No. You know what is your problem? Now so that one do that one na Oyibo. His wife can't even live on self. Now mama and mama can't they help her? Go to my head. My mama can't they help her? Yeah, your family like you. I talk her. They like you. Yeah. Now some people when they quit verse, like me, if somebody I know they pray make anybody when they around to me get problem. I know they feel leave that person. I will stay there, take care of that person because God can do your work. This one I no go reach now. You see now, you say if I get one food when I want cook now. Now one woman teach me this. The woman from this thing, Tibet. Woman from Tibet. Now he teach me that food that time. I'll find the way when I don't chop that food, don't pass years now. I'll find the way when I'll take do one. Then the boy, he get weight. Then he come marry, something like that. He come at that time, know how to get weight like that. If fiancé, they tell him, say if he continue like this, not good. They marry, see yet, come the worst. If that time, if fiancé become his wife, then the woman can't complain. The man no change. Then the woman seek for divorce because she say no. You know, sometimes all those people when they get weight and work there, people when they take care of them, they are very good. See the way when they draw now. If the mama want draw and come out now in her clothes, you see her. She want carry them get up. You get one when you fall one certain time. They call this thing when all those rescue when they rescue and they fall. They enough you get up. The woman can't even they cry safe. He said, this is too much. You don't feel get up. Now those people can't come. Now they can't get up. The team come and the team can't come. Now they can't carry and get up. See this woman or this one now. Something even grow for under his leg, you know. See now back of car now. Now he go and stay back of car. He no go fit sit down. No sit when he want sit down put. He no fit sit down for seat. See now back of car now he go sit down put so. See and they are funny. If they just like that, see, okay now. How are they going to do it now? They don't off the back seat. And it's, I hope maybe my mama be this one, not just this one my wife. This one wife will don't leave this one tete. Because I'm not sure say this one they hear what they don't they love for. It can be wife. Pass neat. Pass neat is say you not pass. Then they carry and they go to this thing. Now that man they try. That man they try. The man will come put them for diet. After they don't feed for that diet, they don't reduce. The man will come they do the operation, you know. That man they try. The day when that man don't old. I pray the day when that man go die. I pray make people they will be say they go take this man walk. If not, a lot of obesity go through that country way. Now America they get all those things because they eat too much. Somebody will just carry one turkey, only one just eat one turkey. And their turkey can big. See, and I see they go for road now, see they chop. Cannot fast. If I dare with this one for us, now me go diet and by myself. If they shout say I want to eat, I not go give. Because you not go die. Because you fat. You know? That the Oyibo, that Oyibo man too funny. They tell us say make it diet. You know the worst part of it. This man go they work for fast food. Mama say no, you are not trying, you are not helping yourself at all. Then the doctor come to say, where did you where are you working? Where did you search for a job? He say fast food. Then the doctor come tell us say, you don't need that kind of job now at this moment. You see and say you don't want change. They put you for diet. You say you want to go find work. You read there now, you go find fast food. Not be some food you go they eat for there. Then they put her for diet to if they give her the doctor will say, okay, after 2 months, I will see you. Doctor will tell her, say, see what you go do. After 2 months, you go be like say you add weight, jog weight. Now the doctor say, you don't dey fed up because you are not even trying, you are not helping yourself. You go like to take talk. Right? Doctor will say, no, don't say anything. You are not helping yourself. Now one day, now mama Koto say no. Say you know they help yourself at all. And the mama they try. They know they feel carried there. Those people that they try, that they try. Wait. You know what it be wait. Someday they go put door. Put door, come up there for inside house. Because they know if he pass this thing. Someday now big this thing they take come they carry them trailer. This one not not too fat like that. It can't be like say this one can't grow. I don't know whether it can't grow for this thing. Whether the fat one can't grow for under a leg. You know? Yeah? Now so that one, the doctor could say, yeah, I will give you chance. I give you another chance if you don't want to help yourself, and then I'm out. Because they say go help yourself. Now the mama can't cry. Tears can come out for mama. I say, hey, you say you go try now. The time when we go check, you go add weight John weight. The guy say he don't even know where he got the add weight John weight. Now food when they eat. The man tell us, say, stop that work. May go look for another work. Are you serious? They put you for diet. You go find fast food work. If now burger now this is made, don't see they work now. Before you go know, you don't they throw away this thing for mouth. One by one. The program there, they watch a lot of program, you know. I learn a lot of things here. There is one, all those people, they go buy something they know they use. Buy cloth, they know they use. Buy shoe, they know they use. Now that one I can't work past. You'll see some all their house, room, everything inside their fridge. Oh my God. If na 3-bedroom flat now they get, now city room go full for something, go come high reach ceiling. Toilet go full. They work out top of those things. Kitchen go full. All your rooms go full. Everywhere when you go feel put something for that house, you go full. Inside fridge go full. Oh, no, things they happen for this life. Now those two things, things they happen. So I will say no, they like her like that. Oh, you come talk to them before they will come agree. I'll find the name of that something. Now the name they always they come up from my head. Then he can't get one. The woman, he fell in love with the man. And if you read the man house, they are used to it. Oh, they are used to it very well. If you see the place where they pass, shit. I the woman now, he can't go greet the man. It is too much now. Before he break it, they carry and go hospital. Then they now call people when they say that they help them for those this thing. Say that they get those therapies or those things. You know, by they can't come. The man they say no, because the woman already get picking before. Now the woman daughter can't tell his mama fiancé say no. Say if the man continue like this, say his mother no go marry him because why? See mama now, mama don't break leg for inside this house. If the lady don't talk, the man will say, I know you will talk. You have big mouth. I know you're going to say something. You are not making sense. See this all now food you won't eat now. See, and this woman, you buy am two for this, why you not buy am one? And if they go one buy am, they go buy am two. If now me, now one I go buy. Now one you know Ogbeide, why you want complete? Huh? No, they'll just chop am. Whether they know they chew am, whether na swallow, I don't know. No, you go chop and finish. They know if you toss whether it's sweet or whether it's not sweet, or they know toss it. It's painful, because they have used to it. They are used to it. No eat. Right there, Zai. Hold I thought they can't help the man. bring the things out. They'll come and rent the house. You'll see some day they go buy something. That's something. The receipt when they take buy everything, they don't use them. 3 years ago, 4 years ago, 5 years ago, one day, 20 years. So the people when they the environment, they can't they complain. Inside has come full, can't reach outside. They say rat full everywhere because of the property. Now the people when they that area, now make one, they can't say no, it's too much. They can't help them. One just day, the garage full. If they go rent garage. Why can you rent garage? You go they buy something they put for inside. You know they use them. Okay, why not just they give one? Well, now waiting the light be that. That's now their hobby be that. You know, everybody get hobby of something. It just if they do us will be black. Oh, you all buy. If you buy, you go keeper. Buy again, you go keeper. Buy again, you go keeper. You know they use. You know they use at they say buy. Our black people still they do. They will buy this one, buy that one, buy this one, buy. I also you can't lower. Now that one can work fast. Some go live for that place over 10 years, 15 years, 20 years. Their house will come foolish up. Some still get dog inside, some still get cat inside. After this one now, there another one when they go do. After this one now, they go do that one. Well, people, I go chop. I can live without. Oh, this is our book. Now, good night. Maybe if I want to come out later the day, I'll come out. Maybe I know come out. I don't just want this year. I don't want me. I just want to do video, but I don't feel stay. I don't know why. I don't just know why. This one don't tire me. Out. I don't feel out. Stay. I don't feel stay. Una bye bye yo.